158. Been idling quite a while. Tell it's not really hot yet, but you push a button on it here, hold it, and it changes it from Fahrenheit to centigrade, and then one push keeps bumping it up a degree until it gets up to where the turn on place is. It's run one wire in here into the key on. I've got a green wire here. This is supposed to go to the air conditioning pump, so it turns both of them on. It turns one on, and in about 10 seconds it'll turn the other one on. So if I turned on the air conditioner, one fan, second one. 161, lowered it 2 degrees, just that little bit of time I had it on, so this is going to work just fine. And I got all this pile of junk and metal cleaned up. Got rid of that one transmission case, bunch of pipe, and all this other kind of stuff. I saved all the good metal that's stashed here, and got me a battery for this. Advance Auto was 70 bucks, but I gotta clear this thing up, or clean up this fuel pump, put another one in it, take a rag and wipe all the dirt out of there and bad gas, and I should be able to put that one back together. And now this is the final deal on the Jaguar, so it runs and drives good. Kind of want to keep it, but you know, I got my little hot rod here. Haven't even drove it. I'll get this old Ford truck here. I got the alternator fixed, put an exhaust pipe on it yesterday. It's got a little missing. I gotta change the plugs and adjust the valve. $168. This thing is just not going to get hot idling. It's a good thing. Well, got it up to 177. I can start to smell the heat a little bit. And we're right at the center of the gauge. So it's probably 180, because it's the water's probably a little hotter than this probe is showing. $181. I think I got it set to turn on at 190. I probably ought to change it. Right in the middle looks like 180. So I never did get it even close to 180 driving it. Maybe I ought to turn it on before that. We'll let it go and see where it does turn on. Turn on at 190. Both fans are running down. How long will it go before it turns it off? 188. Well, pulled it down to about 170 and turned off. It's still like 160. So anyway, got it turned on where it's 190. That'll give me enough room to keep it from boiling or anything. So that's a done deal. I have to clean my wires up a little bit here, and it should be good to go on this.